Alex Russell actually speaking to her. Go down.
Hi. Do you have the hiccups? What do you think of the hiccups? You don't like them? Don't like them? I don't like them? They're not fun, huh? No.